On an egg farm, you're helping to produce and deliver food, which means the handling, preparing, transporting and storage of the eggs needs to be managed very carefully. Everything possible should be done to avoid contaminating the eggs with diseases that can cause foodborne illness. All food provided to humans to eat in Australia must be safe to eat. As a person involved in egg processing or production, you are legally required to exercise personal hygiene and health practices that don't contaminate the eggs or make the eggs unsafe or unsuitable for human consumption. Personal hygiene includes wearing clean clothes to work, having a shower before work, washing your hands regularly and every time you enter or leave a shed, eat a meal, have a cigarette or go to the toilet. Contact with hens, people and surfaces that could be carrying bacteria is a daily occurrence. Clean clothes every day minimises the risk of transmitting bacteria. Personal hygiene also includes not coming to work when you are sick and complying with all other personal hygiene requirements on the farm. These personal hygiene steps protect your co-workers, egg consumers and the flock from bacteria that might make them sick. Bacteria are invisible. You could have harmful bacteria on your body or hands at any time and not know it. Even if you are well, washing your hands thoroughly and the use of hand sanitizer before handling eggs or hens is vitally important. In the egg industry, personal hygiene is particularly important for protecting consumers from getting gastroenteritis, more commonly known as gastro, from the eggs, and for making sure you don't spread disease between flocks on the farm. It's important you don't come to work when you have gastroenteritis, a stomach bug or gastro-like symptoms. You risk spreading an illness to your co-workers via bacteria on your hands, body or clothes. Gastroenteritis can also be transferred to eggs, making others who come in contact with the eggs sick. If you have or have recently had gastro, it's likely that the bacteria that causes the illness is still being shed in your faeces. These tiny bacteria can easily end up on your hands, body and clothes. Contact with hens, people and surfaces that could be carrying bacteria is a daily occurrence. Clean clothes every day minimises the risk of transmitting bacteria. Each Australian state and territory also has specific food safety and biosecurity requirements. Your farm will have food safety protocols in place which uphold the requirements of the law. If you're not aware of these, ask your supervisor or manager to let you know what they are.